In glycolysis, glucokinase acts on glucose to give glucose 6-phosphate. Glucose is phosphorylated to glucose 6-phosphate by hexokinase or glucokinase. Both are isoenzymes. This is an irreversible reaction dependent on ATP and magnesium ions. The enzyme hexokinase is present in almost all the tissues. It catalyzes the phosphorylation of various hexoses like fructose, mannose, etc. Has low Km value for substrates and is inhibited by glucose 6-phosphate. Glucokinase present in liver catalyzes phosphorylation of only glucose, has high Km for glucose and is not inhibited by glucose 6-phosphate. Due to high affinity, that is low Km value, glucose is utilized by hexokinase even at low concentrations, whereas glucokinase acts only at higher levels of glucose, that is after a meal when blood glucose concentration is above 100 mg per deciliter. Glucose 6-phosphate is impermeable to the cell membrane. It is a central molecule with a variety of metabolic fates: glycolysis, glycogenesis, gluconeogenesis, and pentose phosphate pathway. Let's have a look on some question answers on this topic. Question 1. Glucokinase is characterized by which of the following statements? It has a much higher Michaelis constant for glucose than hexokinase. It phosphorylates most hexoses. It is an allosteric enzyme. It is found in most cells. Answer A. Glucose 6-phosphate inhibits which of the following enzymes? Glucokinase, hexokinase, phosphorylase kinase, fructose 1,6-bisphosphatase. Answer B. Hexokinase. Question 3. Conversion of glucose to glucose 6-phosphate G6P requires ATP. Yet critically ill patients are given glucose solutions intravenously instead of G6P. The reason for not giving G6P directly is G6P is degraded very fast in the blood before it enters the cell. Commercial preparations of G6P are always contaminated with toxic chemicals. High cost of G6P. Cells cannot take up G6P. Answer T. Cells cannot take up G6P.